What exactly constitutes a masculine skill in today's world? This question, my friends, is not as straightforward as it once was. Time has a way of reshaping our perceptions, and the concept of masculinity is no exception. In the past, masculine skills were often associated with physical strength and endurance. But today, we're witnessing a shift towards a more holistic understanding of masculinity, one that embraces both the mind and the heart. It's no longer enough to just be strong or tough. The modern man is expected to be a jack of all trades, constantly striving for self-improvement and embracing lifelong learning. From emotional intelligence to financial literacy, effective communication to physical fitness, and not forgetting the all-important critical thinking, the array of skills that define the modern man is expansive and ever-evolving. This evolution is not a threat, but an opportunity for growth. So, let's dive into the top masculine skills that every man should aim to master. First on the list, emotional intelligence. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is emotional intelligence? In essence, it's the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as to empathize with the emotions of others. Think of it as a compass, guiding us through the labyrinth of human emotions. In the grand scheme of life, emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role. It's not just about being aware of your own feelings, but also interpreting and responding to the emotions of those around you. This skill is especially significant in maintaining healthy relationships, both personal and professional. Imagine you're in a heated argument with a friend. Your emotions are running high, and so are theirs. Without emotional intelligence, this situation could easily escalate into a full-blown fight. But with emotional intelligence, you're able to keep your emotions in check, understand where your friend is coming from, and navigate the conversation towards a resolution. In the professional realm too, emotional intelligence is invaluable. It helps us to understand our colleagues' perspectives, work collaboratively, and foster a positive work environment. It's not just about meeting deadlines or achieving targets. It's also about creating a space where everyone feels heard, understood, and respected. Emotional intelligence also allows us to better cope with life's ups and downs. It equips us with the tools to manage stress effectively, bounce back from adversity, and adapt to change. It helps us to recognize and regulate our emotional responses, ensuring we're not ruled by our feelings, but rather we're in control. In a nutshell, emotional intelligence is a superpower. It's the key to building stronger relationships, enhancing our decision-making, and leading a happier, more fulfilled life. And the best part? It's a skill that can be cultivated with practice and patience. So how do we go about developing emotional intelligence? It starts with self-awareness, understanding your own emotions, and then learning to manage them. It's about developing empathy, understanding others' emotions, and responding to them appropriately. Mastering emotional intelligence is a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process of learning, growing, and evolving, but it's a journey well worth taking. Next up, financial literacy. A fundamental skill that often gets overlooked is the ability to manage your finances effectively. It's not just about earning money, but understanding how to budget, save, and invest it wisely. The aim is to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Think of it like this. Your budget is your financial roadmap. It's a tool that guides your spending and saving decisions, helping you avoid unnecessary expenses. Meanwhile, saving gives you a safety net, preparing you for unforeseen circumstances or future goals. But what about making your money grow? That's where investing comes in. It's the process of allocating your resources in different ventures with the expectation of generating an income or profit. Financial literacy is a stepping stone towards financial independence and security. It's about being in control of your finances and making informed decisions. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about making money. It's about making money work for you. Effective communication. Have you ever wondered why some conversations leave you feeling inspired and connected, while others leave you feeling drained or misunderstood. The difference often lies in the art of effective communication. It's a skill that's as crucial as it is understated, weaving its influence through every aspect of our lives. From the success of our personal relationships to our professional accomplishments, the power of effective communication cannot be overstated. Imagine you're at a dinner party, surrounded by a cacophony of chatter. The room is filled with exchanges of ideas, laughter, debates, and stories. But what makes a conversation memorable? It's not just the content of the discussion, but the way it's delivered. The most impactful speakers are those who can express their thoughts clearly, concisely, and respectfully. They're the ones who can navigate difficult topics with tact, articulate complex ideas with simplicity, and listen attentively without interrupting. Effective communication is not just about speaking eloquently, but about understanding and being understood. It's about recognizing non-verbal cues, acknowledging the emotions behind the words, and responding with empathy. It's about respecting others' opinions even when they differ from our own. It's about having the courage to express our thoughts and feelings honestly, without fear of judgment or rejection. In the professional realm, effective communication is the lifeblood of success. It's the key to fostering strong relationships with colleagues and clients, leading teams with clarity and confidence, and negotiating deals with tact and diplomacy. It's about expressing your ideas convincingly, receiving feedback gracefully, and resolving conflicts constructively. But like any skill, effective communication requires practice. It requires us to step out of our comfort zones, to listen more than we speak, to express our thoughts with clarity and respect, and to remain open to different perspectives. It requires us to be mindful of our words and actions, to strive for understanding rather than victory, and to value connection over conquest. So whether you're navigating the complexities of a personal relationship, leading a team at work, or simply engaging in a casual conversation, remember, effective communication is not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you... Now let's talk about physical fitness. This isn't just about lifting the heaviest weights or running the fastest mile. Physical fitness is a commitment to yourself, a pledge to keep your body in top condition so it can carry you through the journey of life. It's about maintaining a healthy lifestyle and making regular exercise a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Remember, our bodies are like machines. They need regular upkeep to function optimally. It's not just about the physical benefits, the toned muscles, or the increased stamina. It's also about the psychological advantages. Regular exercise has been proven to boost mood, alleviate stress, and increase overall mental well-being. When you're physically fit, you exude confidence, you stand taller, you move with purpose, and you're more comfortable in your own skin. This confidence permeates every facet of your life, from your personal relationships to your professional interactions. Physical fitness is more about feeling good and less about looking good. Last but not least, critical thinking. This is a skill that often gets overlooked, but it's one of the most valuable tools we can possess. It's the ability to analyze information objectively, to make reasoned judgments. It's the skill that allows us to dig beneath the surface, to look beyond the obvious, and to question what we're told. Think about it. Every day we're bombarded with information, news, advice, opinions, but how much of it is true or reliable? Critical thinking helps us separate the wheat from the chaff, the fact from the fiction. It's what keeps us from falling for scams or being led astray by false information. It is what helps us make informed decisions. But critical thinking is not just about debunking myths or avoiding deception. It's also about problem solving. It's about looking at things from different angles, considering all possible solutions and choosing the best one. It's about being able to see the bigger picture and to understand how different pieces fit together. In our personal life, critical thinking can help us make better decisions, from choosing a career, to managing our finances, to resolving conflicts. It can help us understand our own biases and prejudices, and to challenge them. It can help us grow as individuals by encouraging us to question our beliefs and assumptions. In our professional life, critical thinking is equally essential. It's what allows us to innovate, to come up with new ideas and solutions. It's what helps us navigate complex situations, to understand different perspectives, and to make sound decisions. It's what makes us valuable to our employers and to our colleagues. So, how do we develop this skill? By being curious, by asking questions, by being open to new ideas and perspectives, by not taking things at face value, but by digging deeper, by seeking evidence, by evaluating arguments. Critical thinking is about questioning the world around you instead of accepting it at face value. It's about using your mind to its full potential, to make sense of the world, to make informed decisions, to solve problems, to innovate, to grow. It's about being an active participant in life, not just a passive observer.